Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by sizing clips to the drywall thickness and locating studs. This is crucial because the clip must bear the panel edge. Once you mark stud centers, position the first clip so its flange aligns with the drywall face and the screw hole sits over the stud. Drive the fastener through the clip into the stud until snug, not over-tightened, because over-tightening compresses the clip and prevents proper isolation. Make sure to set clips every 16 inches or follow the pattern required for your assembly. Once clips are secured, lift the drywall panel and engage its edge into each clip slot. You should hear or feel a light snap as the bead seats. You should use 2 people for large panels to keep the edge aligned. This avoids bending the sheet and stressing clips. When the panel is seated, drive a screw through the clip center until the panel is firm but not crushed. Then work along the run, keeping panel gaps consistent and checking alignment frequently to maintain a flat plane. You complete the surface by taping joints and applying compound in thin coats, feathering each layer to blend. Wait until fully dry before sanding. If a clip pulls or the panel rocks, stop and address it. Remove the screw, reseat or replace the clip, and use a slightly longer screw into solid framing or add another clip adjacent to distribute load. Finally, inspect the run for any gaps or movement. Correcting clips now prevents cracks later and ensures the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.